Ang hirap talagang gumawa ng ganong video, ng ganong caliber.
Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Junel!
I'm Niley!
Ayun pa kabo. For today's vlog, ay papanoorin na naman natin yung tourism video ng isa sa delegates for the Miss Universe Philippines 2024. This time is for Baguio. I know you're excited for this because you know you've been there. You've lived there for 4 years.
4 years of my life I spent in
It's done. Huwag mo na syadong i-claim. So, ano ginawa mo sa Baguio?
Ayan, doon kasi yung alma mater ko sa University of the Philippines, Baguio City.
Wow, yabang. So, ayun, pupunta din tayo ng Baguio next month.
Yeah, oh?
Wow! Sa May, abangan nyo.
Hindi ko nasa-set yung,
yung utak mo na magta-travel tayo. Basta, abangan nyo.
Super excited.
So, ayan guys, without any further ado, let's jump into the video.
Light. No matter how hard you try, like a dream that forever lingers in your head, it follows you, guides you. As for me,
para sa walang himala tapos Red Riding Hood ang head.
Universe, this is Tara. This is Baguio. And this is her story. As the sun rises on the pine-encrusted landscapes of Baguio City, you feel the warmth of its glow, shedding light on all that makes it beautiful. Its culture, embraced in a valley of colors, textures, and the smiles of its people, the Iguaras, the beating heart of the Cordilleras. Dubbed as a UNESCO Creative City for Craft and Folk Arts, we are proud and honored to uphold a heritage so deep and strong, manifested in its people and the work of their hands.
ASMR.
Serene, so lush in nature that allow not just your mind, but your body and soul to grow.
Ang galing nung
As the sun sets on this colorful, multicultural city full of diversity, I'm reminded on how fortunate I am to call this place home. It has made me into who I am. And with this light, I pledge to shine onto the universe.
Okay naman yung video, kaso medyo nakukulangan ako kasi though we love a video that's paying homage to the ethnic tribe from that specific place or region, medyo nakukulangan ako sa mga, kasi ang daming pwedeng i-offer ang Baguio. Like, kahit mabilisan lang, kasi ang dami talaga. Like, diba?
Oo. Yun nga parang medyo, parang napadaanan lang lahat. Para siyang walang something na mabigat talaga. Like, kunwari, mga stories ng mga nag-hobby, ganyan. Pero, though I get it naman, na mahirap talagang gumawa ng ganong video, ng ganong caliber. Like, even nga, it could have been improved kung okay yung parang audio recording ng video.
Actually, ang naisip ko din doon is kasi art capital ba ang Baguio? Parang art capital. So, ang paggagawa ng video, kung sa artistic view, it was great. Pero as someone na parang if you're into tourism lang, parang hindi mo siya ganun ka-appreciate. Sobrang artistic actually. Nung mga shots, yung ganon. Pero as, you know, when it comes to tourism, na point of view, parang medyo lang kulang.
Hindi pa yung message across. Dapat kasi yung unang-una na parang pumunta kayo dito, maganda dito parang.
Siguro ganun kasi yung natin, parang impression natin when it comes to tourism videos. Point of view lang naman natin yun, di ba? So,
pero kudos to her for like doing something na different perspective. Like something new na parang slow pace, tapos it's poetic and it's cinematic.
And focuses on those, how diverse Baguio is. Diba? Yung ganon.
Yes.
And also the art of Baguio. We're excited for Baguio trip. feeling. Alright guys, so thank you so much at sinamahan nyo na kami sa nagdaang reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!